Baby, just bend down, pause. Baby, just bend down, pause. Baby, just bend down, bend down.
Hi guys, it's Night. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Cousin, how are you? Welcome to a hair video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I install, just showing you guys this beautiful wig. I don't know if it's the way that I did my makeup today. I hope that it looks cute on camera like how it looks right now, but I don't know if it's the way that I did my makeup or like this hair, but I'm really feeling it. Like I really love this color up. This is a body wave wig. I'm obsessed. I love the density. I just love everything about this hair. There's nothing wrong. I didn't have to do anything to the lace. I mean, I added some makeup, but honestly I feel like that I didn't even need it because I started to add makeup right here and I was like, that's too light, girl. You could have just left it like how it is over here. And I did not use the ball cap method. You guys will see what I'm saying. I think this is my favorite wig right now. this hair. You know when you feel cute when you want to find a song just so that you can sing to it, just to show your Instagram, you know what I'm saying, just to show your little social medias how you looking. So I'm gonna find a song. Comment down below what's your go-to song when you're about to make a cute little video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to put your post notifications on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. It's also right behind me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bend down, pause.
Girl, why you bend down, bubble and wine? Let me see you just wind your waistline.
Baby, move to the melody. Oh, baby, bounce your booty, go low.
Baby, just bend down, pause.
Girl, why you drop down, bubble and wine? Let me see you just wind your waistline.
Baby, just